Okay, so we're back with Holly the golden doodle. There she is. We're going to go around and meet all her friends in the camping posse. Mile High camping posse, to be exact.
Mile High.
Okay, so right there is Dylan.
Dylan, say hi. Shade, what are you doing under there?
Hey, Dylan. Yeah, and see, there's Shade. Oh, she's caught right there. Okay, so there's Shade. Shade! We call her Queen Shade.
Queen Shade, because we make her queen.
And there's Sky. And Robin. And that's Daisy over there. And that's Nevaeh. Now let's go over here. Let's go over and meet Sadie.
Let's go over and meet Luther.
Yeah, Luther. So right now, we are at the sand dunes. There's the sand dunes. So, yeah, we're camping in the sand dunes. And Holly's here too. I showed you her when I first started the movie. So you know, these are all her friends, and hopefully you like them all.
Oh, we call him Bubba.
You don't have to say no. So, Luther's over here. He's a gorgeous guy. No, I'm not. This is my camera.
Yeah. This is Luther.
So there's Luther.
Bubba. Or Bubba.
Yeah. Hey, stop blocking Luther.
Sorry.
So, there's Luther.
He's kind of a silly butt. Watch.
Luther.
Luther, shake. 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 Or not. Oh, he shook. He shook. He's just like... he shook.
So yeah, there's Luther. We're going to go over and meet Sadie. Sadie. I'm trying to run so I get there faster. There's a lot of wind.
Yeah. Sadie, she's a retired queen.
Yeah, we don't want to say anything about a queen or whatever. Okay, where's Sadie? Where's Sadie? I need to get her. I have a video on right now. I'm not putting it in, guys. Let's go there. And there's Sadie. See?
Hello, Sadie.
Yeah. So now you know all of Holly's friends.